Hi, I'm Matt. I wanted to make this short video because our research and watching other people's video has helped in our research. So I wanted to make this short video, and my friend's going to ask me questions to keep me in line here. I had just had the LINX procedure yesterday, and go ahead with the questions.
Okay. What were your symptoms prior to the procedure?
About 5 or 6 years ago, I had chronic hiccups for about 6 months, and that's 24/7. I had an endoscopy done. She wasn't real thorough. She just said, well, you just need to take Nexium. Well, I did for about 5-6 years. And 14 months ago, all these symptoms started coming back, even with taking Nexium, even twice a day.
What medications did you try?
Besides the Nexium, also did a prescription formula of Nexium, and then Zepid, which counteracts the acid. Also, with me having hiccups, I took a medication to try to slow my body down, and none of this seemed to work either.
Did you change your diet?
Yes, when I went and had my endoscopy this year, which was 3 months ago now, I was diagnosed with GERD, Barrett's, Hiatal Hernia. So I started following GERD eating plan. The symptoms would still come back even as strict as I was following it. And my symptoms, besides the hiccups, were definitely, which progressed and got worse. I would throw up constantly in the middle of the night, all day long. So,
how did you find out about LINX?
Lots of research. We did a lot of research, and it was a new procedure to us. We'd not heard about it through anybody else. Didn't even hear it through any of the gastro doctors. So we investigated and looked it up ourselves.
And you had surgery yesterday. How was the surgery?
Well, of course, you're under for the surgery. As I came to, I was under pretty good pain, but they had not given me anything for my pain at that time. So instantly, it was probably 2 or 3 minutes after I was awake, they did give me the pain medication, and it did subside.
And how did you feel all day after surgery?
After the surgery, the first time I ate, I was laying down pretty well in the bed, and I didn't know if I was feeling food here or that was from where all the operation was. All these incisions. And this is, of course, where it was most painful. So I ate slow. I ate what I wanted, and it would subside after a while.
And how do you feel today on day 2?
Day 2, I feel really good. I can eat. I've been eating what I want, spicy foods. I will have one maybe little belch. But beside acid, anything else, so far day 2 has gone very well.